Okay guys, so in this video what I'm going to do is just a quick tutorial on introducing yourselves to Mac. So you might have just recently done the switch over from a Windows PC to a Mac, and you're just wondering how am I gonna all the different features in Mac. So what I'll do, I'll go through the basic things, and hopefully this will you'll find it informative. So first of all, we'll look at Finder. This is your dock, so we'll look at Finder first of all. Now what Finder is, it's similar to Windows Explorer on your PC. So as you can see, you got your applications, you got all your files, your applications, everything is in here basically. So it's just think of these like on Windows 7 you got your libraries, so think of these as the same type of thing. You can search everything you want in here, and you can also search using this search toolbar. So if you type in YouTube, everything that's got YouTube in it will come up here. It is very good to use, and it is very quick as well. So to close it down, you click the X button there. That's Finder. Also, there are some preferences. Each program has its own menu bar. So as you can see, because we're in Finder, you can see that we're in Finder because just look at the bottom of the dash. You can see a little line there. You can see a little line on this one here as well. That's what I'm using to record this video. So you can see that this application is open as well. I'll come back to that in just a few moments. So in Finder, if you click on this Finder and preferences, you can choose what you want in what you want to be on your sidebar. So as an example, if I didn't want applications, I'll just untick applications and it's gone. Tick it again and it's back there, and you can rearrange them however you want, just simply by holding down the left mouse button and moving it up and down, dragging it wherever you want in it. So that's an easy way to do that. And again, you can have all these different ones as well. So if you wanted Michael's MacBook Pro in the devices section, you can add that. If you didn't want, as an example, pictures, so pictures, I'll just untick that and pictures is gone. I want to keep my pictures in there, so that's that. And that's about it for Finder. Now what I'll show you is this here. If you click on this Apple logo, it'll tell you about this Mac. So it'll tell you everything you need to know: the processor, how much RAM there is in it, and what the startup disk is. I'm using a MacBook Pro that I've upgraded 8GB of RAM and a Samsung solid state drive as well. So this is a customized MacBook, and it is very fast. Links in the description on how to do it and where to get the RAM and the hard drive from. If you double click on this, it will show you what the serial number is. I'm not going to do it because I don't want people to look at what my serial number is. If you click on software update, we'll find software updates for the operating system, which is Mountain Lion. Now the next thing is at the bottom. This is what you call your dashboard, the dock, sorry, dashboard. This is where all the applications shortcuts are, so you can quickly access an application. To access an application, all you do is simply click on it and it'll open. And just run that for now. And as you can see, to close an application, you click there. Another way to close an application, I'll just open this one. Just open that. Another way to close an application is if you right click on an application, you can press create, or as you can see, this has got its own menu there, YouTube downloader, or you can go click on the name of the application and click create here as well. So that's another way to do it. Let's have a look. We'll go into settings. For now, general settings, you can change the appearance of the colors of the buttons, menu and windows. So if you want to do that, you can do that. Desktop, you can change your desktop picture. An easy way to do it is if you click on pictures, let's find my pictures, wallpapers. If you find a picture that you like watching, just simply right click it and click on set as desktop picture, and it will say as a desktop picture. One more thing in Finder as well, going back to pictures, oops, just click close that. You can choose which way you want your files to be shown as. So I've got it in cover flow mode, where it shows you a preview of what the file is. So you can scroll left and right. Well, I'm using a magic mouse, so I'll just like swiping left and right, just like you would on an iPad or iPhone. But you can change it as well. You can have it like that, so you get a menu there. So you get a preview on this side here, or you can have it like this, just a long list of file names, or like that, thumbnail file names. So that's just something that you can do, and that's in Finder, which is here. It's always the first one. So I'll just keep it like that for now. Back to settings. So settings in your dock. This will let you show you if you wanted to increase or reduce the size of your dock. So as an example, if I increase, it won't let me increase it because I've got too many applications. That's the maximum size I can have because I've got loads of applications in here. Another thing is the magnification, which is this wave like motion when you're on the dock. You can put it as nothing. If I put it as nothing, it means that there's no magnification. If I put it about there, that's what I like it. It shows you this is the magnification, so I like it. You can either have the dock at the bottom, on the left hand side, or on the right hand side. I prefer mine at the bottom there. And this is the genie effect. When you close minimizing, this yellow button here, it like goes into a swoosh, as you can see, swoosh. But if you do the scale effect, it won't go into a swoosh. It'll just go down like just down like that. So that's just an animation. So I like it like this. It looks more better. And that is dock. Mission control. You can have hot corners. This is the main thing that I use. So hot corners. So for example, if I click down here, I'll go to my dashboard. If I click up there, I go to the apps, and down here I go to the dashboard, launchpad. Sorry. You can change it by clicking in here. So if you click on any of these four corners, it'll go to that application. It's very good. So I've got that set up as desktop, so if I click on it, it goes to desktop. So that's pretty cool to do. Let's have a look. Mouse. So if you've got a mouse, you can do these different gestures. It shows you a little menu, a video showing you how to do the different gestures. Up here you've got your volume button. So there's volume if you want to increase it or decrease it. You got your Wi-Fi. So if you want to turn Wi-Fi off, you can do. Join another different network, you can do that as well. That's what your Wi-Fi is. You've got your Bluetooth here, and you've got other things. These are just applications that I've downloaded myself, so you've got them as well. Now I'll just quickly show you to close an application. Again, if you click on an application, it will run. This is just running slightly slow because I've got ScreenFlow on. But once you've got an application up, like I've just opened Final Cut Pro there, if you click File, click on Final Cut Pro to exit it, you just click there. So you click on Final Cut Pro, and again, this is where all your menu is. Each application, each software package has its own individual top menu bar. So if I wanted to close this, all I do is click on Final Cut Pro. I'll do it again. Just click on Final Cut Pro and click on Quit Final Cut Pro. So what I'm trying to show you is just some of the things that I found weird when I was actually doing my own. When I was actually, you know, starting out with what do you call it? Apple Mountain Lion. To delete a file, all you do is basically hold and drag into the bin. I'm not going to delete that because I want to keep that, but that's all you do to delete a file. And your active applications are always down here. You can add more shortcuts on here as well. If you go to Finder, if I want this music down here as well, music folder down here, all I do is hold the music folder and put it there, and now I've got the music folder there as well. So that's a nice shortcut tip for you. That's about it for now. I might do a part 2, version 2 of this tutorial. If you did enjoy this, like and subscribe, and there are going to be more future releases on tips and favorite apps and stuff like that. Also, I'll just quickly go through VLC Player. I would recommend downloading that because that has a lot of different codecs on it. Basically plays anything that you throw at it. Also for YouTube, I'd recommend downloading this one, YTT Video Downloader. It's from the App Store. Downloads YouTube videos, and you can convert them and play them any way you want. That's a recommended one. Again, right click and just close that. And also YouTube to MP3, again from the App Store. I recommend downloading that because that converts YouTube files into MP3. So again, that's all for now, and I will do a part 2 video of this, and we'll go from there. So like and subscribe, and if you're wanting to upgrade your RAM or introduce a solid state drive into your MacBook Pro, I've got links in the description on where to get the stuff from Amazon. It's good because if you've got Amazon Prime, you don't have to pay shipping or anything like that. And also I've got a video showing you how to actually install the SSD onto your MacBook Pro. So thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.